Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Before we start, it's important to note that obtaining someone's IP address without their consent may violate privacy laws and ethical guidelines. Ensure you have proper authorization or use this information responsibly. Now, let's create a simple Python script to retrieve an IP address. We'll use the socket library, which provides a way to work with networking functionality. This script uses the socket.gethostname function to get the host name of the local machine and then uses socket.gethostbyname to retrieve the corresponding IP address. Save this script with a .py extension, for example, get_ip.py, and run it using a Python interpreter. Keep in mind that this will give you the local IP address of the machine where the script is executed. If you want to get the public IP address, you might need to use an external service or API. Remember to use this information responsibly and respect privacy and legal considerations. ChatGPT.